आयची प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जी आसा, we means, yes, on behalf of the party, Advocate Braj Disa has filed a complaint before the Election Commission in Delhi and in Goa. Yesterday we have emailed. We have also sent a copy to the Chief Secretary of Goa. आता चोन कितें तुम्ही आता पत्रकार आसात, तुमकां दिसता की इलेक्शन कमिशन कितें तरी आपलो पावर जी आसा विदिन द लॉ यूज करता काय उगी मारल्यात ते कंप्लेनीक रावता. हांव तुमकां याद करून दिता, ऑन 10th March जेन्ना इलेक्शन कोड डिक्लेअर जालो, इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जालें आनी इलेक्शन कोड इफेक्टान येयलो, त्या दिसा तुमी आल्तिनाचेर एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जालेली, चीफ इलेक्शन ऑफिसर गोवा कोणवाल. तेणें तुमकां सांगलें तेन्ना कसली कंप्लेन जर तर येयली जाल्यार 48 hours आमी तिंका रिस्पॉन्स करतले. हें बरोबर काय ना? याद येता? विदिन 48 hours. आयज आमच्या पक्षांनी केल्या कंप्लेनी, दुसऱ्या पक्षांनी केल्या आसतले, दुसऱ्या इंडिव्हिज्युअलांनी केल्या आसतले, एक लायन येना कितें तरी नेगेटिव्ह ऑर पॉझिटिव्ह. Has the electoral office also become cage parrots of this government? This is a question that is being arised in mind. I am not making a charge against this election office. Till today I will not make a charge. Though they have been sleeping on a complaint that I had lodged on behalf of the party on the 21st of March. So I zale this da. Amka acknowledgement pasun येवंक ना that we are complaint is being looked into. आता हे पासून तो इलेक्शन ऑफिस करिना जाल्यार हेजो म्हत्व जाता कितें हें उगडास धरूंक जाय की इलेक्शन कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट 90% applies to the ruling party, because government opposition people have no powers in their hands to violate something. Only your public meeting timing banner तेजेर. But where the government machinery is being used, it can be used only by the ruling party. Now the question is, हो एक निर्माण जाता प्रश्न, हिंची तोंडां बंद केल्या कित्याक हो सरकार, मोदी सरकार जी आहा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार आहा, they have tried to curb the autonomy of all institutions. मीडिया पासून त्यांनी हात घातलेला आहा. आता प्रामाणिक मीडिया थोडे आहा म्हणून तरी चलताय. PWD मिनिस्टर now 2 days ago called all his officers, engineers, in his office using the official premises is again a violation of code of conduct. Official premises can be used only for routine work, and not to call your engineers and contractors and have discussions there, and directions have been given. What is the election office doing? I can understand. It is their job to investigate. They are waiting only till a complaint comes with such glaring things. It is known to all of you. Calls the mining dependent to his office and assures them that the mining will be started. What is this? You can give it as an election promise on the field. Can you use your official premises to do this? What is happening? This government does not care for law. It's very clear. Though the chief election office is supposed to be an autonomous body, I'm again trying to say, somewhere they are kept on the chains. Otherwise, why are they not acting?